Hey loves, welcome back and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am Neki Cakes and I got another moisture hair growth mask for you guys. And I like to get straight to the point. So for my recipe, it starts with 3 tablespoons of organic fenugreek powder, 2 tablespoons of organic raw shea butter, 1 avocado, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and all the goodie ingredients, add them to your blender, and you can even add your favorite oil like I did. I did 1 tablespoon of hemp seed oil, but that is optional because you really don't need the oil. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water just so it can blend better. Thick, thick, thick fenugreek butter hair mask. Get started by dampening your hair. You can use warm water or you can use a DIY hair juice like I'm doing, and I'm using fenugreek hair juice. And if you're curious about how I made my fenugreek hair juice, the easy recipe will be linked in the description box below. So make sure you guys check that out. So you're going to dampen your hair and then section your hair and smooth the fenugreek mask all the way from your roots to the ends. It's important to work in smaller sections just to ensure every strand is coated and gets loved on. Also, if you have fun hair like me, keep the hair in one direction, preferably going downwards, just to minimize any type of tangles that you can get. Because the less tangles, the better, less hair shedding. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I already shampooed my hair. So this mask is being applied to clean hair. So once I rinse it out, the hair, you're going to see it's going to be shiny, defined, and super soft. The majority of the ingredients are going to be linked in the description box below. So you guys need to purchase, you guys know where to get it from. The ingredients will help with your hair growth and also to ease your hair shedding, even any scalp issues that you may have like itchiness or dandruff. Fenugreek combined with the shea butter, it's going to give your hair some serious moisture, bringing back that luster and bounce to your strands. And as you know, I always say moisture always equals hair growth. Dry hair can get some growth, but there's nothing like moisturized hair, which is going to equal some serious growth. The banana and the avocado are high in vitamins and they're natural oils, so it's also going to help to moisturize your hair, giving better elasticity and more shine. And you guys are going to see, you can even see right now how my hair just lays down. There's minimal frizz, and once I wash it out, you're going to see the shine, the natural luster it has, and the moisture. If you have leftovers like me, put it in a Ziploc bag, label it, and keep it in your freezer for up to 1 month. I sat with this mask for about 1 hour, 30 minutes, then rinsed out with warm water. I also applied more fenugreek hair juice in my hair and then my DIY leave-in conditioner that also has fenugreek in it. I know you guys see the softness, the curl definition, you see the wave, you just see the water just falling off of my curls. You can even look at the ends, baby. They are clumped and just juicy. When it came to styling my hair, as I already said, I applied more fenugreek hair juice, then my DIY leave-in conditioner that also has fenugreek in it, and then I used a simple styler. And my hair is about 60% dry hair. And there's my wash and go. Look at that. Everything is laid and shining. That's how I like it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.